So today we're at the Home Depot rental section, and we're going to be looking at the Kubota K008-3 mini excavator. So this is a tracked vehicle, go through mud no problem. It's a very small machine, mostly good for like digging small trenches for a water pipe or a drainage system, maybe up against a foundation, something like that. Good roll bar. Of course, it's got a seat belt, adjustable seat up and down, hour gauge, fuel gauge, battery. All the instructions are right on it. Very simple machine to use. So again, this is good for digging mostly small trenches, that type of thing. Maybe ripping out a very small shrub or a small tree, something like that. Nothing too large. Daily rental is $339. Weekly is $1,017, and they actually do a 4-hour, which is roughly $237 for 4 hours.